Okay, Niall, here we have Phoebe. She was asking for you. Okay, give me the ball. Give me the ball. And there we have Finn, who is really missing you, Niall. He is saying like, where's Niall? We missed him. We want him to come tomorrow, please. Our last day. Although you might have tennis or something. And Phoebe is always bringing the ball back to me. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Good girl. Now, this is what they want to do all the time. They want just play and play. So I'm going to throw the ball. And let's see how they run. Okay, I bet Finn is going to get the ball. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was a bad guess. It was Phoebe. Look, this day is lovely. So, there we are. Look, Finn is resting for a while. He gets a bit tired. Say hello. Say hello. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Good girl. Okay, Finn, now it's wow. I lost the ball. It's your chance now, Finn. Okay, Finn? Well done. This time I tried to put the ball near Finn so that he could catch it. And that was it. Okay, now I'll see you. Well, I'll see you when I show you this, obviously. And now I'll keep walking. This doggies. Bye.